everyone! In this video, I will show you guys how to remove black background in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to Insert, and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. Let's go ahead and click on Pictures, then select the picture you want to add and click on Insert. Now click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Then click on Remove Background. Now Microsoft will automatically remove the background, and you can use these tools to mark areas to keep or to mark areas to remove. So let's keep these areas. Mark areas to remove again and click on the areas you want to remove. And once you're done, just click on Keep Changes. Now click on this icon here and select behind text or in front of text to move or reposition your picture. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.